have the insurance for another, what, 2 years, 3 years or something? 2019 you bought this.
Yes, I did, yeah.
May 2019, so you still have 2 or 3 years on insurance to keep on cleaning it, so.
Welcome back to Safeclean-Walkingtv, all about cleaning. So today we have a mattress cleaning saturated with urine, as you can see by the stains. And now our technician is spraying on chemicals. He could be using between a peroxide, a pro-alcohol, a rust remover, even a browning agent, a spot lifter. After applying these chemicals, he would leave it to dwell for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, after which he then extracts away these chemicals using a rinsing agent. Now I know this sounds like a lot of chemicals, but this is what our technician has on board on a daily basis. Now it is possible that you can do this yourself. It would take a little knowledge and know-how. I would say to seek advice at all times. There is no guarantee of removing any stains from any fabric or carpets. There's never a guarantee. And as you can see, the stain is virtually disappeared, but no doubt the technician is going to apply a further chemicals to ensure that he gets all of the stain. So there he is applying another chemical in order to get the remainder of the stain. If I could give you one little bit of advice, if it's for your children's beds, I would say to invest in a mattress topper. This would ensure you not getting stains on your mattresses. And your mattresses, as by the manufacturer's warranty, could last up to 8 years. So now after he's removed all the stain, you can see there's wet patches. He's now going to clean the rest of the mattress in order not to leave a big wet patch in the middle of the mattress. So he's soaking the rest of the mattress in order not to leave a wet stain. And this is how we clean mattresses, remove stains when possible, I would ask, if you like this video, to like, share, comment and subscribe. At the end of this video, take a look at some of the still shots.
Okay, I just need you to sign that while I bring.
These are some of the results we're able to achieve.
On the bottom there, and say what a wonderful job I done.
Like, share and subscribe.
You don't have to say that.
And thank you for watching.